You know, we're not like super hungry because we did eat pizza here, like 3 hours ago. But I'm sure we can fit some stuff down because you've seen my belly. So we don't have a window, but we do have a mirror. Yay. Hi. We made it. We're here. So Carlos actually had a little bit of an issue with his muster drill because for whatever reason it wasn't registering in the app, but we finally got that situated and good to go. And then we made our way through the promenade to Boleros. This actually ended up being our favorite watering hole for the week, and Carlos and his mom discovered some good margaritas there. So then from there we went and grabbed some food. We went to Sorrento's for some pizza and some of the sides that they had there with it. And then it was time for some more drinks, so we had another round before heading back to our room to get ready for dinner. All right, y'all, we're heading to dinner. We're running a little bit late, so hopefully Mama Natalia's ready next door. But yeah, we're gonna see what the MDR is like tonight. Night one. We got on board late. We had a late embarkation. Embarkation didn't take us long at all, but we got on board late, so we haven't really done all that much. But we've done a few things. We've explored a little bit, but now it's time for some food. You know, we're not like super hungry because we did eat pizza here, like 3 hours ago. But I'm sure we can fit some stuff down because you've seen my belly. Anyway, Carlos, you ready for dinner?
Yes.
He so is. But yeah, we'll talk soon. All right, we're ready. Let's see if we have table mates. That'll be different. We just might. Night one dinner was delicious. We didn't have table mates, but we did have a couple that was sitting right next to us, so they were really close by and we were able to talk to them a little bit. And then from there we went up to the upper deck to say goodbye to Port Canaveral as we were leaving, and then we wanted to go down to Central Park because we wanted to see that while we still had daylight. Central Park is by far one of the best features of the Oasis class ships. It's very pretty, the vegetation is real, and it feels fresh and garden-like, and it's really quiet and chill there. But then from there we went down to Boleros, which is where we decided to start the festivities for the evening. So, Carlos, you found something really tasty, didn't you? What are you drinking?
A nice cold margarita.
This is a special kind of margarita that our bartender, Nikolai, I think that's how you say it, Nico, he made for us. So we're already, Nikolai, we're already finding a couple of bartenders to hold down the, the want/need list for us. So, yeah. What does your mom think?
She likes it too.
It's super good.
Empty too.
Oh, it's empty. No? Well, cheers, friends. We'll talk soon. Carlos and his mom really did end up liking those margaritas, and so they got their special Boleros elixir from Nikolai the entire week. It got to the point where they just would walk in and he would already start making it, which was really cool. And then from there, it was time for the magic show. They had this really cool magician come in, and he did this sort of like new take on old school magic mixed in with his sort of life story kind of concept, and yeah.
Also, we have ice shows. We have main theater shows like tonight with Hector. We have music all around the ship. We're going to Mexico.
Hector's magic felt fresh but familiar, and his life story was really interesting. He made the show really engaging, and I honestly really liked it a lot. And then at one point he started doing shadow puppets and stuff, which he was actually really good at that as well. And yeah, he ended up being a really multi-talented person.
Who's on their very first cruise ever? I thought so. All right. Well, you really are in for some great entertainment. We had to postpone, I don't know if you heard that announcement, we had to postpone the 7 o'clock Aqua show because it was raining and there was lightning in the area. So we just put that on the last day at the same time, okay? We'll keep you informed. We're going to try and get that 9:30 show in.
After the cruise director released us from the magic show, we made our way out through the boardwalk and to the back of the ship where the Aqua Theater is. I had obviously heard good things about the Aqua shows on the Oasis class ships, but I actually wasn't prepared for how much I was going to enjoy this part of the cruise. So yeah, if you're ever on any of Royal Caribbean's Oasis class ships, I full-heartedly recommend the Aqua show. From the Aqua show, we went back inside to the promenade where they had like all kinds of evening entertainment stuff happening. They had like a party of some sort happening, and we decided to try the Rising Tide bar. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a bar in the middle of the promenade that raises up from the promenade level to the Central Park level.
So Carlos, we just saw the Aqua show. What did you think?
It's a really good show.
It was awesome, right? That's probably my favorite show I've ever seen on a cruise ship. What do you think?
Yeah.
Very good, right?
Very good.
Can recommend. Did you like the show?
Yes, I like it.
It was good. We'll talk soon.
The Rising Tide bar was pretty cool, but we weren't able to get a seat, so we were standing the whole time, and it's pretty slow moving, so we got off at the Central Park exit, and then from there we made our way to our rooms to get ready for bed.
Alright, y'all, that's a wrap on day one. We did a lot of stuff today, I feel like. What do you think, Carlos?
Yes, I'm tired. I'm pooped.
He's exhausted. So yeah, it's what, 11:30 almost? Yeah, 11:40 almost. Yeah, so, we hung in there, especially with the limited amount of sleep that we got last night and stuff, so, yeah, so far so good. This ship is super cool. The Aqua show was amazing. One of the coolest things I've ever seen. And, we got pizza, and I got a sandwich with my pizza. And then I also got a nightcap, but we were smart and got bottles of water as well to go, with the end of the day and whatever. Carlos feels like he drank a lot today.
7 drinks. That's a lot for me.
Yeah, that is a lot for him. His mom also had 7 drinks, which is definitely a lot for her. I had 8. This is my 8th. So, not too crazy. But considering we got such a late start, we've been going nonstop pretty much since we got on board. But anyway, tomorrow's a sea day, so we're gonna get to sleep in a little bit. I think we're gonna get up about 9:30ish, and go get some breakfast. Since I'm not alone, I don't get to sleep in until, 10, 11, 12 sometimes, like I do. Because, of course, we want to make sure that we get to experience breakfast and stuff. So, anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all those fun things. We'll talk soon, and y'all have a good night.